Hello, and welcome to your Thursday edition of TradeFT Daily Financial News. We've lined up today's key market updates, analysis, and expert takes to support your financial decisions. Subscribe now to stay in sync with the markets, and check out TradeFT.com for comprehensive insights and strategies. Wednesday was a banner day for US markets, with all three major indexes closing at record highs. The Dow rose 308 points to over 45,000, the S&P 500 gained 36 points, and the Nasdaq climbed by 254 points, boosted by strong performances in the tech sector. Salesforce soared 11% to hit an all-time high, while semiconductor stocks followed suit, with Marvell Technology rallying 23%. The upbeat tone was further supported by Fed Chair Jerome Powell's optimistic comments on the economy and progress on inflation. In Forex news, the euro remains subdued, trading near two-year lows at $1.052 as France faces a government collapse. Political uncertainty weighs heavily on investor confidence, with the European Central Bank expected to announce rate cuts next week. Meanwhile, the yen showed slight strength at 150.34 per dollar, as markets speculate on potential interest rate hikes by the Bank of Japan later this month. Bitcoin broke the $100,000 barrier on Thursday, a monumental milestone for the crypto world. The surge, fueled by favorable regulatory sentiment following Paul Atkins' appointment as SEC chair, has drawn increased institutional interest. Experts suggest Bitcoin's rise reflects growing market maturity and mainstream adoption. Analysts predict continued momentum, with some forecasting the next key levels at $105,000 and $120,000 in 2025. Oil markets held steady ahead of today's OPEC Plus meeting. Brent crude traded at $72.37 per barrel, while US crude stood at $68.61. Investors are watching closely as OPEC Plus is expected to extend production cuts into 2025 to support prices. In geopolitical developments, tensions in the Middle East continue to pose risks to supply chains, adding to market uncertainty. Finally, in commodities, gold held steady at $2,647 per ounce as investors await Friday's US payroll data for clues on the Fed's next move. Analysts expect downward pressure on gold in the short term due to a strengthening dollar and moderate payroll growth. Silver and platinum also saw minimal movement, while palladium prices remained flat. Thanks for watching today's market update. If you found it helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the financial news. We'll see you tomorrow for our final update of the week. Stay connected with TradeFT.